Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Ewa, local and long distance movers near me. Hiring a professional moving company to carry your belongings to or from Ewa Beach, Hawaii ensures your items are handled with utmost care and delivered quickly as well. Also, hiring a company to handle all of your moving will also enable you to take care of things that should be done before moving. It's normal to try and make cuts when you're moving, but long distance travel is in the realm of moving companies. Most moving companies do a magnificent job of shouldering all the burden of moving and all your belongings to your new abode in all one piece. When you're moving in a relatively close location to your current home or office, most people are torn between hiring a truck and moving all their belongings themselves or hiring a moving company to do all the heavy lifting for them. This is a decision you have to make, but we recommend the latter. This is because hiring a moving company negates you from suffering injuries during heavy lifting. Also, moving companies insure all your belongings, so you are safe in case of loss or breakage. Moving locally, unlike long distance movers, doesn't involve you covering a lot of miles, most likely in the 100-mile range. However, the process can be very laborious and time intensive. That's why you need to call on professionals such as 3 Movers. Because of their experience, they can have your items delivered in a matter of just 2 days. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Ewa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.